Hi friends, today you are learning wonderful lesson with wonderful techniques. That lesson is human eye and colorful world. For this unit 5, I divided into two parts. One is basic concepts that children minimum knowledge you have to understand on topics. Second one, how to learn concepts, part 2. Here I am discussing about part 1, minimum knowledge about this chapter. In this chapter, topics covered are these topics you can remember easily. First one is myopia defect. Second one is hypermetropia defect. And third one, presbyopia defect. Fourth one, myopia definition. Fifth one, hypermetropia definition. Sixth one, presbyopia definition. Last one, concept name in rainbow, sky and sun colors. Now enter into first topic, which lens is used in myopia defect. We have total 3 defects. One is myopia, second one hypermetropia, third one presbyopia. For 3 defects, you have to use 3 corrections lens, 3 corrector lens we have to remember. In exams, students get confused because both have same names, similar names. So for that, I kept one linking method. In that linking method, student can learn easily this defects lens used, correction lens. First defect, myopia. For this one, to correct myopia defect, lens used is concave lens. So I am taking in myopia my word and lens concave. In that I took cave word. Why? Because in concave and convex, con is same. So I am taking different one, cave. So in defect myopia my, in concave cave. I am linking with 2 words. What the word, new word we got, that is my cave. My cave. With the name of this my cave, you can easily you can remember this topic anytime, anywhere. Practice this name, my cave, my cave, my cave, my cave. If you practice this 5 times, and whenever you can remember, and you can in exam you have to decode this one. How I shown in slide. My cave means myopia, cave means concave. Now move to second topic, hypermetropia. For this defect, you have to use lens is convex lens. For you easily remember, I am taking in hypermetropia metro. I am taking familiar word metro, and it another convex I am taking X. If you see observe in slide, you can easily understand metro X. I am taking one meaning word metro express. So if you practice metro express, these words in exam, if you get in multiple choice question, you can make it as decode. Metro means hypermetropia, express means convex lens. Now move to other topic, presbyopia defect. Lens used for this correction, concave lens, convex lens. Upper part you have to use concave lens, lower part you have to use convex lens. For this one I am taking presbyopia by presbyopia. Bi means bifocal lenses. You have to use two lenses, concave and convex lens. So in that name only answer is there. So you can simply write using with name only. Bi means bifocal lens. So upper part you have to use convex lens, lower part you have to use concave lens, lower part you have to use convex lens. So next topic, definition of myopia defect. If you want learn this definition of myopia defect, from before topic you learn about myopia, word is mycave. Using that word, my cave is so far. My cave is so far. So for definition, which people cannot see objects. Which people cannot see objects. I am taking as a equation A. Behind far point, that is B. B means behind far point equation. Adding two equations. One is which people cannot see objects plus behind far point is called myopia. So you can divide definition with understanding. You can write easily. Only you have to remember is far point, behind far point for myopia. So you have to remember the word. For definition, my cave is so far. If that word keyword if you remember, you can write definition of myopia. Next, move to another topic, definition of hypermetropia defect. From before topic you have Metro Express. Metro Express, I am taking Metro Express bus is near. I am word changing. For definition, if you want to remember definition easily, you have to change Metro Express bus is near. Using that word, you can write easily definition of hypermetropia. If you see the slide, you can understand easily which people cannot see objects. That is common for myopia and hypermetropia definition. That is first part. And second part, bus is near. Bus means before, near means near point. So which people cannot see object, that is equation A. Situated before near point. Situated before near point, that is equation B. If you add both A plus B, you will get definition. Which people cannot see objects situated before near point is called hypermetropia. Now for presbyopia definition, here this is presbyopia it is very good. Why? Because for lens, for definition, it is there in itself only. If you observe in that one, PRES, biopia, I am taking word first letter P. P means power of accommodation of the. P means power of accommodation. In there underlined letter E. E means eye. So power of accommodation of the eye. Last A, aging. Power of accommodation of the eye decreases with aging. This is the simple definition. You can learn itself the word presbyopia. So for definition I am writing, it is a vision defect indicating that the power of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with aging. So for this one you can, I gave some numbers. Power of accommodation of the 1, I means 2, A means aging 3. If you add this one, 1 plus 2 plus 1 word you have to add, decreases between 2 and 3. You will get easily definition of presbyopia. So I'm repeating that one. Presbyopia definition is the power of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with aging. Now, if in this way it takes time to learn in this method, but it can remember more time whenever and you can write any without confusion and easy. Now move to last topic, how to remember the concepts sky, rainbow, sun, concepts which are observed in multiple choice questions in paper evaluation. They will do mistakes. Writing for rainbow is formed due to scattering. So some students get confused in exam tension, even practice so many times also. Student will write wrong answer. So for this one, you have to use some mnemonics. We call it as Banda Gurtulu, Konda Gurtulu. So whatever it is, you have to use that one. Rainbow. For rainbow, what concept is involved in that one is dispersion. Dispersion, the process, this concept is dispersion. So rain, I am taking rainbow. In rainbow, I am taking word, familiar word rain, and D for dance, all of you know. So anybody in childhood we dance in when raining, so that is rain dance. A word linking with rain and D, rain dance. So if you remember this one, you can write anytime, anywhere, in short time. Also you can write. Next one, sky. Here also I observed somebody writing mistakes. Some students don't know, below average students don't know which is sky blue color because what concept is involved. So for that one, you can remember in this way, sky blue, sky white color, both are scattering of light. Next one, why sun is in red color, why sun is in white color. Here also I am taking simple word, answer itself in the letter only. S means sky, I am taking first letter S. Here scattering also first letter S. So sun red, sun white, both are involved in concept is scattering of light. If you about this video, if you like this one, please subscribe that YouTube channel Sunkoju Madhu and press bell icon for more chapters.